Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all you guys are doing great. Hope all you guys are having a great start to your new year. Anyway, as we end the first week of the brand new year, things are rolling along well. If you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, consider subscribing. If you're into sneakers, you like sneaker content, this will be the sneaker channel for you. Consistent content coming at you all 2023. Trying to do the right thing, trying to, stay focused, stay consistent with the content. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, guys, in the description, you can find my Instagram, my TikTok, all my other platforms. Please go give me a follow over there. It would be truly appreciated. But anyway, guys, let's jump right into today's video. We're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan XIII University Blue. Now, some might say, hey, those came out already. Actually, they didn't. Because what you're referring to is probably this shoe right here. Bam! The CP3 player exclusive that actually dropped to the public. We were pretty shocked when this dropped. Well, I was a little shocked when this actually dropped, you know what I mean? You can see where it gets the similarities from, but there's a bunch of different, details on it. As you can see, CP3 got the the yellow and blue, got the CP3 logo there. If you guys want a comparison, let me know down in the comment section. Maybe I'll do that for you guys. Also, too, the yellow on the bottom. A little mini review right there. But guys, let's get right into today's video. Today, like I said, we're checking out the University Blue Air Jordan XIIIs. Now, Jordan XIII is one of my favorite Jordan silhouettes, to be honest with you. Alright, guys, taking a look at the outsole. As you can see, we have a standard Air Jordan XIII outsole. You got your holographic Jumpman there. You got your carbon fiber there. Alright, guys, taking a look at the toe box. The toe box, the material is actually pretty soft. And I always love this hit as you move up towards the lace area. It's got Jordan right there. As you know, we got your round rope laces. We got your synthetic suede tongue with your embroidered Jumpman on the, top of the tongue there. Moving to the side of the midsole, as you can see, we got that synthetic suede. It actually wraps around the midsole as well, around the entire midsole, in fact. Moving up to the midfoot, same exact synthetic suede on the midfoot. Actually, as you can see, going back and forth, it's actually pretty smooth to the touch. Moving up towards the heel of the shoe, you got your Panther's Eye. This also, too, is 3M. They actually stuck with it and gave us the 3M, so that's pretty dope. Rounding the heel off, you got some more synthetic suede. The inside of the shoe, the guts of the sneaker, it's all black. Nothing really crazy. We got a all black insole with a University Blue Jumpman. Taking a look at the inside of the shoe, basically, replicates what's going on the outside of the shoe. It's got more of a suede opening here. Really nice, Anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordan XIIIs. Did you like it? Did you pick it up? Are you planning to pick it up? Because I believe they're still in stock. So I would grab them fast before they fly off the shelves, because these ain't going to be sitting there for too long. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, day out. Remember to give me a follow on Instagram, TikTok. All my platforms, like I said, in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.